Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again. Today I want to talk about this little device I made. This device has for purpose to try to repair bad connection. How it work? It work like high peak current stinger, and I'm going to explain to you how it works. And I have already tested this kind of feature, and it permits to me to have more time in front of me. And as you can see, there is a charge port. You can see you can charge it like that, but here the battery is fully charged, and the internals are something like that. Here you have some capacitors bank, and here you will have the high frequency transformer, which permits to charge those capacitors. And here you can see the thyristor, which is the trigger for the system. So here you can see you can remove the battery. Okay, I didn't expect that. I need to reglue that like this. Okay, so I will put it at its place. Okay, you can see the green light. Green light indicates that the unit is fully functional. And so to use this kind of device, you need to understand how it proceeds on the site. And I make a little draw here. So actually, when you have some transmitters or some valve or some RTD on the site, and sometimes this is not far from the sea, because the sea can cause a lot of damage on connection. So here you will have the symbol of some electric cabinet, because we use different cable, not in one, not at once. There is many cable to send the current transmitter to the control room. So sometimes you will have 2 wires for devices like that, or sometimes you need 3, and for some LTD you can need 4 wires like that. And sometimes what happens in this case, it's that you have a very bad connection. But to find a bad connection, it's very long and very hard, because you need some plane, a lot of schematic to find all those cabinets. And sometimes because there is a bad connection, you will have on the control room a very bad measurement about what is happening on the site. So to win a lot of time, I make this device, which is high peak current stinger. And how it works. So when you have this kind of those problem, you need to isolate those probe and those probe on each side, and you need to make a short circuit between them like this. And with this high peak current stinger, you need to inject some current here and some current from here to here. And what happens here, when you have some resistance to the bad connection here, it will melt and it will repair the connection, and the bad contact will disappear, and you will find the good measurement on the control room. And this process is made at once, just with a little devices like that. Okay, I have already tested this device, and it's fully functional, and it works very nice. And this is like a cheating a little bit, but sometimes it can repair it definitively, I think. So to make it work now, I just connect this, and to show you, you will have this wire, which is the symbol of a very bad connection, not a 0 ohm connection. And I will make this here like that, and I will charge it like that. Okay, so you will have the green light, and you will you will wait for the orange light here. When the orange light is glowing, that means you have the height peak available, and when you use this kind of stinger, you have here a white light, which is normally not working when the short circuit is frank. So here the short circuit will not very frank, so it will make something like that. Okay, and you will have here the light glowing because there is a lot of energy again in the capacity bank. Of course, in reality, when you do this, you make a short circuit here and you will melt the bad connection going from some ohm or some 100 ohms to 0, and you will melt the bad connection here, and you will have 0 ohm here. So it was the device of the day. Hope you like it, and see you soon.